Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. I'm going to show you how I built this sheet metal brick. You will see all my mistakes, what I learned from this. I also like to say thank you to my internet friends. Thank you, спасибо, obrigado, danke. They helped me a lot with the design. I hope that you will enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe. This is a new YouTube channel and I need your support to increase the number of subscriptions. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the video. Have a nice day. you.